what I'm doing right now is, you see these braces in here in the doors. I'm welding these in here because I need somewhere to mount the electric window kits. And it's got to have something to weld to, spot weld to, bolt to, whatever. So that's what I'm working on today. So this is our update for the 2020 RATical Buildoff drive-off car that we're building. And I'll kind of go over and show you what I've been doing. We haven't had time to work on it. There's so much welding that you guys don't see any progress on it right now because the stuff that I've been doing is just all welding pretty much. And I'll try to, as we're going through the day, I'll try to film some more, but I'll kind of show you where we're at right now. We have the Glen rig drawing. And you can see how the front end looks right here, how it dips down on the, we use the pickup grills or pickup doors to make the grill, and then it dips down. And I'll show you what we got going here. So I'm gonna try to get this piece welded in today. I have a little bit more shaping to do. This piece is getting built right now. I have to trim the top right here to make it fit right. And you can see I got a little bit to cut off here, and then this has got to get bent down or bent back and get welded up. And then I have the door frame surround built. This sits in here. I gotta get that welded in today. And then this thing's gonna start going really fast. In the next couple weeks, you'll see a lot of body mods and everything, or panels getting welded on and whatever. We have the structure, the inner structure's done on the front, and then on the back right here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna figure out some way that we can grab the car, up underneath and have it so that we have a jib so that we can lift the car. And I'm not sure if we're gonna go through the back window right here. We might make a jib so that you can pull the back window out and run the jib through here. And what the jib does is it spreads out the body weight so that it comes out here, and then you can grab a cable so we can take the body off the car or off the frame. And then that way we can start getting the frame sandblasted, ground, primered, painted, start doing the airbags and all that stuff. And get it all set up while the body is in the body shop. And you know, as soon as I get the metalwork done on this thing, we should be able to start getting the bodywork done on it. And I've been doing a lot of stuff like this, trying to just finish all the welds and get everything ground smooth so that we can start. What happened?
That's it.
Oh, you look down there.
I was looking at the thing you were showing me. Oh my gosh, really?
So we're gonna try to get everything welded up, and I'll try to do some more update videos as we're going along. As I'm building some panels, maybe I'll do some videos or whatever. I'm waiting for door hinges and stuff like that. Right now we're having a really hard time with our sponsors trying to get anything, so it's been real tough. But we're gonna make it work, we're gonna make it happen. We got 7 months more to finish this car, and we're gonna see what we can do to make it happen. So thanks for watching. One more safety question.
I can't get over this saw. It's this. Oh, it's not. It's cool.
It's not even hot, yeah.
No, let me see the edge. That's nuts. So clean.
Yeah, it's not sharp.
That is crazy. Evolution saws are the bomb.
The Evolution saw that's from one of our sponsors, Evolution Tools. And man, so thankful for that saw. It's awesome. It works way better than the zombie saw.
Maybe this and the zombie saw.
I want to throw the zombie saw away, but Heidi won't let me.
No, it's It's nostalgia.
It's part of the shop. So what I'm doing now is I'm taking some, these are 1, 2, 3 blocks, and these are aluminum so that the welding doesn't weld to them and stick. And I'm welding in these braces for the electric windows and the doors. And then after I get these all spot welded in, then I'll do some side braces here, and then I can start putting the panels on the doors or getting them set up for the panels. And I can start doing the, hanging the doors on the car and all that good stuff. So.
Ooh, don't be doing that.
Michael did that one day when we were in the other shop. Actually caught the welder on fire.
What?
We weren't paying attention. It was sitting there.
Jesus.
Yeah, it was all bad.
I can't leave you guys alone for 2 minutes.
So here,
Wonder why your safety glasses are all trash.
right? So these braces right here, that I'm welding these in today. That's what those are for, so you can spot weld the
Window kit.
electric window kits into them. And I have speedway electric window kits that are going in here. So.
And that's something we had laying around from another build, so we're truly doing this with what we have, especially right now.
Yeah, it should work out good.
Yep, I think it'll be great.
All right, shut that damn thing off.
Are you tired of it?
I got all the dash done right here. These pieces are spot welded in, and then now I can start welding those up. So that's all finished up, and then I got the door frame locked up and spot welded in, and then I got to pull this in and weld it like I did the other side. And then I got the both doors are pretty much wiped out. They're done. I got a bunch of little welds to do on them, a bunch of spot welds and stuff. And if we work on this some more tonight, I'll film some more. But if not, thanks for joining us tonight. Thanks. Well, Harvey's working on the Jeep today, and then I got a lot of this stuff done today, so it's kind of nice. Got the bracing and everything for the back part where the sheet metal goes on, and the fender welds to that. Got the door surround all put in and welded in. And I think tomorrow what I'm gonna do is I'll work on getting the back part of the car all finished up right here. But I also got to cut these panels tomorrow. I got to cut this panel here and then this panel right here. So I'll get those cut and get those welded on tomorrow. And then this grill brace, which is the side of the hood, I'll get that put on because I really want to see what this thing looks like with the hood on it. I got the hood built, but I need to finish it up. But it's hard to finish when, only part of the car's done. So I think that's what I'm gonna end up doing tomorrow. I'll get most of this other crap taken care of. But anyways, thanks a lot for watching, you guys. Well, thanks for watching the video, and I wanted to say thanks to all of our sponsors. I know right now people are having problems with trying to get stuff shipped and whatever, and it's been a pain in the ass. And some of the sponsors have already shipped some stuff to us, and we're very thankful for that. So I want to thank my sponsors and all of our YouTube supporters and whatever. And go check out our website. It's mnoutlaw.customs.com. And I appreciate you guys watching. Later.